unlawful activities prevented after the Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front, Jamaat-e-Islami, and Dukhtaran-e-Millat. JKDFP is led by Mr. Shabbir Shah, who remains imprisoned since 2017. Mr. Shah has spent more than half of his 70-year life under detention. India should immediately reverse restrictive measures against political parties in IIOJK and release all political prisoners, so that the Kashmiri people can exercise their inalienable right to self-determination in accordance with the relevant UNSC resolutions. Pakistan strongly condemns the indiscriminate and disproportionate use of force by Israeli authorities against civilian population in Gaza and calls for an immediate cessation of hostilities. We are deeply concerned about the fast deteriorating and dire humanitarian situation in Gaza due to the inhumane blockade and collective punishment by Israeli forces. The decision to cut off electricity, fuel, and water supplies is unjust and should be reversed, as it would severely impact the lives of the Palestinians in the enclave. Israel must also bring an immediate end to its campaign of indiscriminate bombing against the people of Gaza. It should fulfill its obligations as an occupying power under international law, lift the blockade, and allow access to humanitarian aid to the Palestinian people. The current cycle of aggression and violence is a sad reminder and a direct consequence of over 7 decades of illegal foreign occupation, aggression, and disrespect for international law, including UNSC resolutions that recognize the inalienable right to self-determination of the Palestinian people. Pakistan has been constantly warning against serious consequences of Israel's escalatory and provocative actions in recent months. The unprecedented gravity of the situation demands urgent intervention by the international community. We urge the United Nations to play a proactive role in facilitating a ceasefire to alleviate the deteriorating humanitarian situation in Gaza. The international community must work in concert for a just, comprehensive, and lasting two-state solution with a viable, sovereign, and contiguous state of Palestine on the basis of pre-1967 borders with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital. Peace in the Middle East will remain elusive in the absence of such a solution. I have an announcement to make. At the invitation of President Xi Jinping, Prime Minister Anwarul Haq Kakar will undertake a visit to China to participate in the 3rd Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation being held in Beijing from 17th to 18th of October. The Prime Minister will attend the opening ceremony of the BRF and address the high-level forum entitled Connectivity in an Open Global Economy, which will be held in October. He will hold bilateral meetings with President Xi Jinping and senior Chinese leaders, with a number of leaders attending the forum. While in China, the Prime Minister will also meet with leaders on to expand bilateral trade and investment. He will also visit Urumqi, Xinjiang Autonomous Region of China, to meet with local leaders and business persons aiming to enhance trade, investment, and people-to-people relations. The visit of the Prime Minister backdrop of the ongoing celebrations marking the 10 years of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, the flagship project of China-Pakistan Belt and Road Initiative. In his engagements, the Prime Minister will highlight the key achievements and future priorities of CPEC and reaffirm Pakistan's strong commitment to jointly promote its high-quality development. I thank you.
ترجمان دفتر خارجہ ممتاز زہرا بلوچ.